In this tutorial, we'll be taking a look at the advanced functions available in MiX Insight Analyser. It is possible to bookmark your selection to view at a later date. To do this, click on the star with the plus. Enter the name of your bookmark, select the options you require, enter an intuitive description in the text info field. You will now be able to see the newly created bookmark in the list. Removing a bookmark is just as easy. Click on the star with the minus mark. Select the bookmark in the drop-down list and click Remove. MiX Insight provides the ability to collaborate with work colleagues, and this is achieved through the Notes function and the Share a Session function. To create a note for either yourself or your colleagues, right-click on the required object and click on Add a new note. You also have the ability to take a screenshot, enter a title and the comment. The notes can be accessed by clicking on the Show Notes icon. Here you will see a list of all the created notes. The view can be changed from summary to detail. Click on the note to view it, and on the camera to view the screenshot. From here, you can either delete the note or add a comment. The second collaborative tool is Share Session. Click on the button. A link to your current session is generated, which you can send to your colleague via email. Your colleague can take over the mouse control, and you can share the screen even though you are in different geographical locations. The session will expire in 15 minutes, or you have the option to expire the session immediately. While working in the session, to minimize the window, click on the Share Session icon. You will note that all the tools that we discussed in the Basic Functions tutorial are also available when you right-click on the white space, but here we see two additional functions. The first is Set Clear State. This function allows you to save a default selection for the duration of your session. So for example, I only want to see 3 months worth of data for a particular site, I make the selection and then click on Set Clear State. I can make as many changes as I want, but when I want to return to my default, I click on Clear and the default state is returned. To remove the clear state, click on Reset Clear State and then Clear. The second function is Mail with Bookmark as Link. Ensure that the bookmark you've created previously is selected and then click on Mail with Bookmark as Link. And this brings us to the end of this tutorial.